Hi, this is Brian Reese with Media Solutions here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we're going to show you how to use Restream. First thing we need to do is when you first sign in with your username and password, first thing you want to do is go ahead and click Restream or Stream with Studio. And go ahead and click that button and it takes you to the screen where we were just a minute ago, or at least halfway there. Once you've gotten here, it'll actually pull this screen up. This one can tell you whether or not your camera is working. If there's a red line through it, that means that there's a problem with your camera. You can also disable your camera here. Also mute your microphone. Okay, that's a bad thing to do when you're recording. Okay, go ahead and click the settings button. You can also tell from here whether or not your microphone is working. It gives you a indicator, begins to indicate whether or not your microphone is working. If you want to know whether or not your camera is working, just go ahead and turn that off. And if you can see yourself in this space, your camera is working. After you've done this, go ahead and click Stream or Join Stream. That button, and it takes you here. Once you get here, there's several things that you can do. The first thing you want to do is add a destination, because you're actually sending this stream to some place. The place you need to stream it to, you need to go ahead and click this button and show where you want that to go. Go ahead and click that button, and once you do, it gives you a platform for all the other things, the platforms that you can stream to. You have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitch, and some others that you have down here also. And we'll go ahead and click Facebook Live. Once you click that button, whatever Facebook account is attached to your particular PC will show up here, and sometimes it will show a list. Right now it's just connected to mine, so we'll go ahead and click Connect to Facebook. Okay. Once you get here, it pulls up your name, personal profile. I can put a name, can change that name too if I want to. And you click that button, it gives you a list of other places, other things that are available to stream to other Facebook accounts that you have available to stream to. Okay, go ahead and click right here, the destination, not destination, description. Just say test, TST, TEST. Go ahead and click that button right there and save this particular settings. Okay, now that you have that all saved up, your picture shows here, or the Facebook account that you are streaming to shows right here. Now if you want to add more streams to it, notice that button changed. Go ahead and click this button here and add another destination. And add YouTube or Twitter or LinkedIn or whatever other platform you plan to stream to. And close that out. Once we close that out, there's a number of things we can do. If for some reason you have another screen that you have set up on your laptop, a separate screen, presentation that you want to use, go ahead and click this button right here that says Share Screen. Click that button and it gives you the options. We don't want to share the screen that we're on. We want to share the next screen, or screen 2. Go ahead and click that button right there. Click that screen. Then click Share. It pulls it up here in a gray box. And in this gray box is the presentation that you plan to share. So we go ahead and do this button here to make it live. Okay. And you see my pictures down here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If I want that to disappear, I do not turn it off. If I turn it off, I turn off the camera and the microphone also. We want to keep the camera and the microphone on because your camera is what it's using to stream it to your destinations. Your microphone is what it's using to talk to those destinations. Go ahead and click the maximize button. Click their maximize button. Okay, and actually the little guy in the corner disappears, and we have the big guy in the middle. This is the presentation that we're talking about. Okay, if for some reason you want to end that, you just click that button and it brings you back to the screen. And if you want it to disappear completely, go ahead. Maybe it's in the way. Maybe you get ready to have some more presentations available. You can go ahead and remove this by clicking the 3 dots here on the right, and then hit Remove Location, Remove Source, and it disappears. And if they were on screen, it would actually disappear, and this screen will pop up. Okay. The next thing you want to do, go over to Captions. Down here, this is not a caption. That's just the title. That's just my name. Okay. But if you want a caption, you can go ahead and go over here and type in right at the top where it says primary name, Brian. And what I'm doing right now is training. Go ahead and click add, and it creates it here. If you want to show it, just click here and it shows it on the screen. As you see right here, shows it. When I click it again, it disappears. It hides it. Okay, so you have two options, show and hide. But you can also go up here and change it to another one. Say Las Vegas Urban League, or follow us on Facebook or Twitter. And you can do that by clicking any one of the other buttons there. You can also make it disappear by clicking the three dots on the right hand side and click remove, and it removes it. So because you want to make sure that this is organized and structured so that you can find all of them find all of them quickly without having to go through an entire long list, a massive list of them. Okay, next thing we can do, go back over here to graphics, and in our graphics we actually have the logo. The logo shows up in the upper right hand corner here. Once you put your logo up there, it shows up this size. It doesn't get any bigger. Only way that it will show bigger is if you put an overlay in there. Created an overlay. Here are the overlays sections down here. There's nothing in your overlays, your video clips, or your backgrounds at this time. I believe that they have motion backgrounds also at this time too. So you can go ahead and use those. Create one and have it in the back of you to make your situation look a little more exciting. Take that caption out. You can hide it by clicking it again. It takes it out. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you got what you needed out of this. It's really, really simple. What you need to do is go ahead and click live when you're ready to go live. Once you have all of this set up, your graphics, your captions, and your chat will set up by itself. Okay, go ahead and click your captions and your graphics and your logo and everything already set up. Once you do that, you're ready to go live. Click this button, and anything that you have already set as a destination will receive that signal. Okay, we're going to go ahead and show you how to get rid of one. If for instance you decide that you don't want a destination to stay there, go ahead and click the destination. Usually they have a list here. If there was more than one, click edit, then go down here to the bottom left hand side where it says remove destination, and it will remove the destination from your list. Alright, so as you see, it's gone. It says add a destination because there are no more destinations because I took all the destinations out. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Hope that you enjoyed this. Hope you got something out of it. Brian Reese from Media Solutions. Have a great day.